Today we're going to be pairing your Apple CarPlay to your BMW. So first, we want to make sure that we have our Bluetooth settings pulled up on our phone. We also want to make sure our Wi-Fi is turned on as well. Now come over here and take a look at the screen. So we want to click the media button here. Click it one more time. It's going to pull up with these options. We want to click mobile devices. On this screen, we want to hit connect new device. It's going to search for your device. So you want to make sure that you're still on that Bluetooth page. So you want to click your device's name through the car first. Make sure you click through the car first. It's going to be the most successful for the pairing. So on your phone here, we're going to hit pair. I would always allow for the contacts. It's going to make it easier for phone calls. It's going to ask you if you want to use Bluetooth or CarPlay. Today we're going to do CarPlay. You could use Bluetooth, but it won't enable CarPlay. On your phone, if it pops up and it says unable to connect, just hit OK. On the CarPlay screen, it's going to ask if you want Hey Siri. I don't typically use Hey Siri, so I'm going to leave that unchecked, and I'm just going to hit continue. So now it's just waiting for me to hit connect here. I'm going to hit continue. And now we have CarPlay all set up. And this is going to be your typical CarPlay that you're going to get anywhere on any other vehicle. So now that we have your Apple CarPlay all set up, I do want to show you one thing here. So with the Apple CarPlay, it's here. This icon is going to be your Apple CarPlay. Now you can click any other icon. It's still going to pop up everything. And if you want to get back to CarPlay, just click that icon again. It's going to take you right back.